when I prepared for my Bar Mitzvah, I don't remember who it was, but it was held in the premises of the synagogue, and I think it took about a year and a half, and I was very proud. I was able to sing my parasha and did very well. However, that was already in 1938, so my parents had a party for my friends and a party for their relatives and friends, and all the presents that I got were suitable for emigration, because everybody at that time knew we had to get out sooner or later. I got impossible presents like steamer trunks, big trunks where it was coat hangers and stuff that by now I'd probably make a fortune selling it as an antique. And I got all kinds of briefcases and everything that one could possibly think of for immigration.